Another highly effective broad-spectrum contact option is quali-pro's FlexGuard fungicide. FlexGuard is a preventative contact fungicide for golf course use that provides control of multiple diseases, including dollar spot, brown patch, leaf spot, brown blight, brown patch, anthragnose, gray and pink snow mold, and other listed diseases. The active ingredient Fluazinam is the only turf fungicide in FRAC Group 29. Fluazinam acts by blocking respiration in fungal cells, stopping spore germination and growth. This unique class of chemistry, along with its multi-site mode of action, translates to minimal risk of fungicide resistance. When partnered with chlorothalonil-based fungicides, it provides season-long contact protection from diseases. FlexGuard is approved for use on golf course tees, greens, fairways, and roughs, and can be applied up to 12 times per year